Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Tool Use. Empowering your agents with external tools. Hello developers. Imagine giving your super smart AI brain the ability to do things in the real world. Not just think. This lesson is all about AI tool use. Empowering your AI agents to go beyond just generating text and actually perform actions, access real-time information, and solve complex problems. It's like giving your AI a toolkit to interact with the world. At the core of many AI applications, especially for language, are large language models, LLMs. Think of an LLM as an incredibly vast digital library that has read a huge portion of the internet. It's brilliant at understanding and generating human-like text, answering questions based on its training data, and even writing code. Analogy: an LLM is like a genius scholar locked in a room full of books. They know a lot about everything they've read. Despite their brilliance, LLMs have limitations. They can't inherently 1. Access current, real-time information. Their knowledge is fixed at their last training update. 2. Perform complex, precise mathematical calculations reliably. They might hallucinate answers. 3. Interact with external systems, like sending an email, querying a database, or browsing the live internet. Analogy: our genius scholar knows history, but they can't tell you today's weather or calculate complex physics problems without a specific tool. This is where tools come in. Tools are simply external functions. APIs, application programming interfaces, or mini programs that we, as developers, can connect to our AI. Think of them as giving your AI eyes, a web search tool, hands, an API to send an email, or a calculator, a math tool. Analogy: we're giving our scholar a smartphone with internet access, a calculator app, and a way to send messages. An AI agent is an LLM combined with an intelligent brain that can decide when and how to use a tool. The process often looks like this. 1. Observe. The agent understands your request to think. It decides if a tool is needed and which one. 3. Act. It uses the chosen tool, gets a result. 4. Respond. It uses the tool's result to answer you or perform the next step. Analogy: the scholar now has a smart assistant, the agent logic, who manages their new smartphone and calculator, knowing exactly when to use them to help the scholar answer questions or perform tasks. What kind of tools can we connect? Lots. Developers can create or use existing tools for 1. Web Search API. To get current news, live stock prices, or recent facts. 2. Calculator, code interpreter. For precise math, unit conversions, or running small code snippets. 3. Database query. To fetch specific information from your company's private data. 4. Image generation API. To create new images based on a description. 5. Sending email, SMS API. To perform actions in the real world. These expand the AI's capabilities dramatically. For us developers, AI tool use is a game changer. It allows us to 1. Overcome LLM limitations. Build AI that is always up to date and precisely accurate. 2. Enable automation. Create AI that can do tasks, not just talk about them. E.g., find me a flight, then book it. 3. Deliver richer experiences. Develop apps where AI can answer complex questions by combining its knowledge with real-time data or actions. 4. Integrate with existing systems. Connect AI directly to your company's software, databases, and APIs. This empowers us to build truly dynamic and intelligent applications. Understanding AI tool use opens up a world of possibilities for what you can build. It transforms an AI from a brilliant conversationalist into a powerful assistant capable of interacting with the digital world on its own. Start thinking about the problems your AI could solve if it had the right tools. Explore frameworks like LangChain or OpenAI's function calling to dive into practical implementation. The future of AI is interactive, and you're now equipped to build it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.